Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the mini bike build series. Today we're gonna get an engine and finally get this thing running. I'm really excited for it and hopefully you are too, because this thing is gonna be sick when I get it fully built and done. So yeah, let's get into the video. That will not work for the engine that I'm gonna get. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the thin wheel grinder, just break these welds off, take the plate out, get a new one, and then weld it back on, and that should work just fine. There's also this little thing here from the old fender mounts that used to be back here, because there used to be two fenders, but the old owner took that off as well. So I'm gonna take that off. So let's get to grinding. We got the plate off. It's just starting to sprinkle a little bit, but it should be fine. We got a grinded wheel on here now, and we are just going to grind out all this extra metal that we don't need anymore. So let's get to it. Oh yeah. Fitting it up now. Oh yeah, see? Yeah.
Like that?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I like it too.
Okay. So it might be a sweet spot.
All right, boys, this is how it's looking as of right now. It looks so good. The extensions look mint. And then we got the plates on there so we can finally mount the engine. I'm excited, boys. Dude, it looks like a bus, bro. It looks so weird, like weirdly long, man. But I think it looks good. All right, now all we have to do is just unbox this engine that I got and slap it in there, and then we're good to go. So I'm gonna do that all off camera because I know that can get super finicky, and it's just gonna annoy me if I keep trying to move the camera and get all the good camera angles. So I'll get back to you when that's done. Yo, the gas can looks like an unrendered video game thing. There's no shadow. Let's go. I really just want to break this in and make sure that it's really not gonna fail on me, because I spent my own money on this and I do not want to see it go to waste anytime soon. Okay, so the last time you saw this engine, it was completely stock. Now we have a carb and an exhaust. Now I put those on because if I tried to fit it into my frame, it would not fit. The stock carb would rub up against the frame, and so would the exhaust if you had it in like a situation where it would rub. That didn't make sense. But I just put this carb on. I've never really done anything like this, so we're gonna start it up and see if I messed it up. So yeah, let's put some gas in it and start it up, boys. Look at that, there's gas in there. Yes. Yo. Let's go! Okay, it is like a week later. When I said that this was finicky, it was pretty finicky. So, it's on, it's bolted on. Got the chain tensioned, good enough. So, let's flipping start this thing. It keeps bogging. It keeps bogging. Because no brakes though, that's not good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go. Yes. Wow. Ready, we're gonna do a little pull here. Oh my goodness, yeah. Yeah.
Wheelie it up the hill.
Well, boys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you'd like to see more content on the mini bike, I have a playlist on my channel, and make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a video on it. I'm also almost at 500 subscribers, and I would like to hit it by the end of this year. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and have a good one. Peace out.